So I'm debugging why the parallax of the parallax scrolling isn't working. And off on the left here, I put a little Godot icon so I could just see. So there's two pieces, this piece and this piece. And every time one of them reaches the Godot icon, it should wrap around to the right-hand side. So we're zoomed out also while we're playing the game. So here's the title screen. Go into the game, and you can see we're zoomed out. That Godot icon is off on the left. I'm going to just fly high over everything so that we get there. So you can see the parallax moves a little slower than the foreground. You can see like that new cloud came on and stuff. And if you watch, the green bottom grass is going to wrap around when it hits that Godot icon. And that's how stuff is supposed to work. Now you can see the beige, tannish thing is going to reach the Godot icon, and it isn't wrapping, which in the game you can see it's screwed up. And now it's going to get a little further past. And then it wraps. So I've just got something wrong, which is probably something to do with the way I placed those two sprites. The X position I'm looking for and the X position they're at is different, so I just have to figure that out. And if you can go into that tan ground, but if you hit the real ground, you die. So that's where we're at today. And it turns out the problem was somehow with the way I scrolled the sprites and their initial positions. I was off by half a screen width because the sprite was measuring its position from the upper left-hand corner, I guess, instead of the middle or something. So anyway, this is the code that makes the parallax pieces go from the left side of the screen back over to the right. You can see here it scrolls at the scroll speed times 0.75, so the parallax scrolls a little bit slower. Here it was, when it gets 1920 off the screen, it scrolls around. Instead, half screen width, 960, I added that to that, and now everything works. And I'm not going to think about it further because I really need to get the game done. So anyway, this parallax background you can hit because there's no collision. It's just off in the distance. But it does make the game look a lot prettier, I think. And wow, I can't do this. You can see a working demo of this at flatulentcupid.itch.io. Today, it's the top thing showing up on the page. Parallax background, the Flatulent Cupid work in progress. You just go there, click Run Game. And there it is. I think you have to click on it again. Then you can start and play. Don't get too high. Flatulent Cupid is a free browser game I'm making with Godot in 30 days. You can find out more about it at flatulentcupid.com. You can catch me on Twitter at Eric81766. And if you want to help support the project, there's a whole bunch of cool t-shirts available from Threadless. Check them out, and I'll catch you in the next video.